Welcome back. It's the third race of the year. It's at the longest course that we have, the UK parking lot in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm going to make a small change to my car today that I think will have a pretty big effect on it. In my previous race, I lowered the rebound a few notches and it really helped the car stick. So today I'm going to run lower compression and lower rebound. They usually work together, so it's helpful to move them both. And I think these softer settings overall are going to help the car really stick to the ground and find some extra grip. So I'm going to show you the best run of the day, and then I'm going to explain why my results are confusing. So the car handled amazingly well. I really liked how it was kind of fighting for grip in all the turns. I felt like I had more grip overall. The softer settings suited my driving style well, and I really liked it. Now if I look at my race box, it tells me that I pulled 1.32 Gs, which is the most I've ever tracked on this. So it also looks like, on paper, I'm dealing with more grip. It's good. The car setup is really good. However, when I look at the results of the race today, I see good and bad. Bad news first, I placed 43 out of 95 people. I barely cracked the top half of the field. Kind of underwhelming. I really thought I was going to be down around 20th place, so I was pretty surprised to see 43rd. The good news is, of the 5 cars I compared myself to, I caught up to 4 of them. At least by a little bit, except for that Volkswagen Golf R. He somehow gained a little bit on me in this race, but the other 4 cars that were ahead of me, I closed the gap a noticeable amount. And then the last car on there, the Toyota GR Corolla, I pulled away from him a little more too. He's behind me. So it looks like I'm catching everybody, but somehow I'm placing worse. It's a little strange. I think there's only 2 ways that this actually makes sense. One is that 15 new people showed up and all 15 people were like the top 15 people. Or everybody I'm looking at here did equally bad with me. Whatever the case, I think this car is just not well suited to the smaller technical tracks like this. So I'm going to leave my setup as it is for the next week, where we have a longer, faster course. I think my car excels a little better there. So I like how everything's handling, I like how it's doing. I think I'm going to try it at a slightly bigger, faster track. And we'll see if I show any more improvement there. Be sure to check out my other videos, and thanks for watching.